What is a green screen? A green screen is a visual effects, VFX, technique used in video production and photography to replace the background with any image or video. It allows creators to insert subjects into virtual environments, making it essential for movies, YouTube videos, and live streams. What is Dream Screen? Dream Screen AI is an AI-powered green screen feature introduced by YouTube Shorts that allows creators to generate custom video backgrounds using AI. It eliminates the need for a physical green screen and lets users replace their video backgrounds with AI-generated content. How to use Dream Screen AI. 1. Open YouTube Shorts camera, feature rollout in progress. 2. Select Dream Screen AI. 3. Enter a text prompt, for example, futuristic city background. 4. AI generates a dynamic background based on your prompt. 5. Record your video with a new AI generated background. This feature makes green screen effects more accessible without requiring expensive equipment or professional editing skills. Would you like help with YouTube Shorts content ideas using Dream Screen AI? Don't forget to like, thumbs up, subscribe, white check mark, and turn on notifications bell for more awesome content.